Want to learn more about the Lose It Premium app and see if it's worth the upgrade? Well, in this video, I go over all of Lose It Premium's features, explain how they work, and at the end, give you my overall recommendation. And if you want to see my review and tutorial of the free version of the Lose It app, go ahead and check out this video right over here. Anyways, let's get started. Cost. The price to upgrade to Lose It Premium is $39.99 a year, which is a hefty cost, especially since it can't be broken down into monthly payments. So, if you did decide to go premium, you would need to make that annual commitment upfront. According to Lose It, as long as your account has never been premium and you haven't accepted a free trial offer before, you should be able to obtain one. And if you don't want to go through all that trouble of trying that free trial, but are still interested in premium, that's okay, because I'll be going through all of the premium features in this video. App and device connectivity. With Lose It Premium, you'll have the ability to connect to a wide range of wearable devices and fitness apps. In the free version of Lose It, you wouldn't have the ability to connect to Fitbit, Garmin, or many others. But with Premium, you can. Setup is really easy. All you have to do is select the app or device you want to pair, connect, and follow the specific instructions. By syncing your devices, metrics such as exercise, weight, body fat, and more would automatically be tracked in your log. It's important to note though that in the free version of the app, you can still connect your Apple Watch and Health app for free, just not any of the other devices. Advanced tracking. In the free version of Lose It, you'd only be able to set goals for and track calories and macronutrients. The upgrade to Premium unlocks a much wider set of options for you to track, including protein, carbohydrates, fats, saturated fats, net carbohydrates, sodium, cholesterol, fiber, and sugar. Also, the bar at the top will show you your progress towards your daily goal for those nutrients. With all of these new specific nutrient goals, you can add them to the favorites category on your dashboard. You'll see both a circle and bar graph displaying your daily and weekly progress respectively. And tapping any of these will show you that information broken down in greater detail. For example, tapping protein will show you a bar graph within a certain range of time, and tapping View Protein Insights will show you the foods in their respective grams. It's cool because you can see which foods in your diet have been contributing the most to your protein goals. Water tracking. Water tracking is a premium feature, and in Lose It Premium, you can access this by entering your log and scrolling down to the water category. Here, you'll see icons of glasses of water, and all you have to do is tap each icon to add 8 ounces of water to your daily log. Tapping on the water category itself will open a dynamic illustration where you can continuously add or remove 8 ounces of water, as well as edit the total by inputting the value. You can also set a water goal by tapping Set Goal in the top right corner. Goals. The Goals view in Lose It Premium is enhanced to feature all of the new metrics you're keeping track of. This includes your water intake, macronutrients, micronutrients, and more. You can keep track of goals for body fat and water intake, exercise goals, including exercise calories, exercise minutes, and steps, measurement goals, including bicep, chest, hip, neck, thigh, and waist size, sleep goals, and health goals, including blood glucose and blood pressure. Choosing any of these will allow you to track them on a daily basis and monitor your progress towards your set goal. For example, if I wanted to track my waist size, I just tap Measurements, tap Waist Size, input my current waist in inches, save, then input my goal waist in inches, and update as often as I'd like. This can be really helpful for people who are really visual about their goals and like to see how their behaviors influence their progress. Goal reminders. For all the new goals that you set, you'll also be able to schedule reminders so you're able to keep track of your progress on a regular basis. To access reminders, go to your Profile tab, and under Personalize Lose It, you'll see reminders. After tapping that, you'll see a goals section where you can schedule notification reminders. Just tap on any of the goals and input the days and times, and you'll always know to update your metrics. Insights. A big premium feature is Enhanced Insights. You'll be able to see insights on patterns, food, budget, nutrition, and meals. Pattern insights are really helpful because it takes note of how certain foods increase or decrease the chances of you staying within your calorie budget. Here, it shows that when I have a tendency to choose these foods, such as salad, my calories for the day are lower, which prompts me to choose that more often. For food insights, you can take a look at calories or any of the macro and micronutrients and see the foods that have contributed the most to each category. For budget insights, you'll see an at-a-glance view of your budget, which provides an average over a certain duration of time. You'll see similar insights when it comes to nutrients. However, these will only be for your macronutrients such as protein, carbs, and fats, not any of the micronutrients. For meal insights, you'll see averages for each meal, including breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Themes. Within your profile settings, underneath Personalize Lose It, you can now change the theme if you'd like something other than Lose It's prominent orange. Tapping Themes will show you a wide range of theme options, including celebrations like Christmas and Hanukkah, destinations like beach or cruise, interests like animals, gardening, and music, and so much more. Once you find a theme you like, you can preview and apply. It's just another way to make this app fun. Meal settings. Underneath meal settings, you'll have the ability to enable more meals, such as early snacks, morning snacks, and afternoon snacks. You can also adjust your meal targets for calories and nutrients. This can be done by tapping any of these and adjusting the percentage or calories or grams. Meal and exercise planning. In the free version of Lose It, you're unable to plan your meals ahead of time and would only be able to log items for the current or previous days. With Lose It Premium, however, you can log both food and exercise in advance for whatever reason you have. If you have a regular routine or are going out to a restaurant and want to plan and log your meal ahead of time, Lose It Premium allows you to do so. Intermittent fasting. If you practice intermittent fasting, there's a feature in Premium that will help you set a schedule. Just choose your fasting window, the days you fast, the time, and select your notification preferences. When the schedule is submitted, you'll be able to start a fast from your log screen. After you start your fast, you'll see a countdown to the completion of your fast, and you'll be notified when the fast ends. Premium calorie budgets. With Lose It Premium, you have access to new calorie budgets, fixed and flexible weekender. The free version of Lose It only allows the standard budget, which adjusts based on your weight changes. With the premium fixed budget, your calorie budget will always stay the same unless you change it manually. The flexible weekender budget accounts for increased eating over the weekend. This makes it so your weekday budgets are a little tighter, so you can spend more on the weekends, which is a helpful tool. Overall recommendation. I'd say if you're someone who is undergoing serious body recomposition and is trying to achieve a certain level of muscle mass and fat loss, then the upgrade to Premium would be beneficial. Usually in these cases, you're extremely conscientious of every macro and micronutrient you're consuming, so the tools that Premium provides would be worthwhile. You'd have access to a ton of data and would be able to fine-tune your diet to achieve those specific goals. I'd also recommend the upgrade to Premium if you're someone who really likes data and is particular about tracking your progress on a daily basis. You'll appreciate all the insights you have access to, as well as information on patterns and foods that contribute to your calories and nutrients. However, if you're more concerned about weight loss and calories in, calories out, or are a more casual calorie tracker, then the upgrade wouldn't be worthwhile. You can definitely accomplish what you're trying to do with the free version of the app and would have the benefit of keeping everything simple. Adding in all these new metrics might make the process more complicated than it needs to be. So that's my take on Lose It Premium. What do you think? Are you gonna upgrade? Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more fitness app content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.